Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the washplate cap in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new washplate cap. The washplate cap is located at the top of the washplate. It covers the washplate's mounting bolt, preventing clothing from catching in it. The main reason to replace the washplate cap is if it's broken or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the lid. Next, I'm going to reach into the washer and using this flat blade screwdriver, going to pry off the cap, washplate cap. This is the old washplate cap next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new washplate cap, we're going to place it on the top and then push it down. And now, when we're done, let's close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.